Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. It's my daughter's birthday and I'm taking her on a birthday trip to Spain, Malaga. Come with me and let's go. It's 1:45 a.m. in the morning in Amsterdam Balma Arena. Come with me and let's take the bus to the airport. But if you're new to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along with me. Come with me and let's go and explore amazing city of Malaga. Let's go. We're in a bus to Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. I'm very excited. I'm very sure my daughter couldn't sleep because she's very excited about this whole trip. We have our boarding pass. We are going to the gate. Come and let's go. Let's check our boarding gate. It's D86. The time is 5. This number is D86. The security check. Now we are going to our boarding gate. Let's go. Together, yeah. I'm very happy to get a window seat, then I can show you the beautiful view. We are taking off. What a beautiful view. standing, take a moment and look at this beautiful view. Let's buy a ticket to the city center, Malaga. Here we are. We are now in Malaga. Let's go. Come with us.
Yo creo que para la desesperación de la izquierda en España.
¿Puedes sentar?
Gracias. We are in Spain now, and it's surprise you in Spain. They don't speak any English. It's only Spanish. So when you are coming to Spain, get yourself prepared, and at least you should know a few key words of in Spanish that you can actually speak. So yeah, we are here and speaking English, so you'll be hearing me speaking a lot of Spanish because there is nobody here to speak English with. That's alright. They call it café con leche, which means coffee with milk. So this is what it's called. Like it's like cappuccino, and this one is colacao. It means cocoa with milk. So we are enjoying. Gracias. Normally, the Spanish eat their bread with olive oil. It's really sort of butter. They prefer to eat their bread with olive oil. So you just put your olive oil on top of the bread. It's really super tasty. I really love this. Really nice. Very healthy also, because this is brown bread with olive oil. Instead of butter, you enjoy it with your olive oil. we paid for the breakfast we had, €8.40. It's so cheap in Spain compared to the Netherlands. Yeah. We are taking a taxi to our hotel. Weather is very beautiful today. It's 27 degrees in Malaga. What a beautiful weather we have. We are going to our hotel. The taxi fare is so cheap. It's €4.75. So when you come to Malaga, even taxi is so cheap. You take taxi not too long, not too far from here, but still it's much cheaper because you cannot get €4.75 taxi anywhere. From the airport, we are now going to check in our hotel. Come, let's go and check in. Thank you so much for coming along. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye from Malaga. Adios. Kiss kiss.